Hello Elleeplex family, hope you are well. I wanted to introduce you to a very new special member of the Elleeplex family, Elleeplex Hyaluronic Boost Serum. This product is incredible, and you may ask, why are we bringing out another aftercare serum when we already have an incredible product that we've been selling for so many years? And that is true. The current Elleeplex aftercare product is so popular, but this product is taking lash lift and brow lift aftercare to the next level. It has the ability to boost the volume of the lashes much more than our current aftercare product. Hyaluronic Boost Serum, as the name suggests, contains sodium hyaluronate and an incredible blend of peptides and amino acids and conditioning ingredients to build the strength in hair and to retain the moisture, boost the volume, and also keep lashes and brows in incredible shape after chemical services. When we look at the peptides in this formula, we have acetyl hexapeptide 8, and that has been known in the beauty industry for its incredible benefits and properties when it comes to retaining moisture, reducing fine lines and wrinkles, and getting deeper into the matrix of the skin and the lashes. It also contains pentapeptide 18. This peptide also has similar benefits where it's able to reach deeper into the matrix of the lashes, giving more strength and more hydration and essentially keeping lashes healthier after we've been doing brow or lash lifting. So there is so many beautiful ingredients in this formula and it gives amazing results. We know you're going to absolutely love it.